Hi everyone, and welcome to Boston Autoblog. Today, I'm going to take a look at the all-new 2018 Jaguar XF Sportbrake. But first, I'd like to thank Jaguar Land Rover of Peabody in Peabody, Massachusetts for allowing me to do this review. So without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. After selling in European markets since 2012, the Jaguar XF Sportbrake has now made its way to the United States, offering luxury and performance in the form of a station wagon. For its initial release, Jaguar will offer only one trim level for the XF Sportbrake, besides the first edition, which offers a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and Wi-Fi hotspot standard. These features are part of the optional technology package, which can be added for an additional $3,200. With one trim comes one engine option. Unlike in Europe, where Jaguar offers a variety of gas and diesel engines for the XF Sportbrake, the US market will get a 3-liter supercharged V6 engine that gets 380 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. This engine will be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The XFS Sportbrake will go from 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds, which is right in line with its main competitor, the Mercedes-Benz E400 wagon. Jaguar's debut into the re-emerging station wagon segment is part of a growing trend in the automotive industry in the United States, where a luxurious interior, comfortable driving experience, practicality, and cargo room meets performance. With the XFS Sportbrake, Jaguar has a worthy competitor to take on the Volvo V90 and Mercedes-Benz E400 wagon by providing British design and sophistication. After a decade-long hiatus, the return of a station wagon in Jaguar's lineup is certainly welcomed, especially when taking a look at the interior. Inside, you're greeted by power-adjustable heated and cooled leather sports seats up front for both the driver and passenger. On the doors are your controls for the memory seating positions. Having sat in and reviewed Jaguars in the past, I can honestly say that these are some of the most comfortable seats, and with the brown leather upholstery, the first word that comes to mind when looking inside is class. Before continuing on with the interior, I want to discuss some of the optional packages that you can get with a Jaguar XFS Sportbrake. This particular model I'm taking a look at today comes with the technology and comfort and convenience packages. The driver assistance package will include a 360-degree surround camera, traffic sign recognition with intelligent speed limiter, park assist, and park distance control, to name a few. With a luxury interior upgrade package, there's two features that really stand out to me that certainly puts the XFS Sportbrake on par with its German rivals. Interior mood lighting and 4-zone climate control gives passengers in the back even more luxurious comforts, as with this model, the rear seats are heated. In front of you is the upgraded 12.3-inch digital instrument display that resembles Audi's virtual cockpit. Here you'll find information on your car, such as fuel efficiency, and you'll also have the option to display the 3D navigation system. Mounted on the steering wheel is the buttons that control your Bluetooth and information display. And to the right, you'll have your heated steering wheel button along with the electric speed limiter. Also part of the technology package is the upgraded 10-inch touchscreen and Meridian digital surround sound system. Let's take a quick look at some of the features that can be found on the infotainment system. From this screen, you can control the air ventilation and climate control in the cabin of the XF Sportbrake. With the technology package comes an upgraded next-generation navigation system that understands both touch and voice commands. Some of the features include fast destination entry and predictive destinations. This is the same navigation system that was found in the Range Rover Velar First Edition I reviewed back in 2017. From the Settings tab, you can change the theme of both the infotainment display and map, and you can access your audio settings. You can also change the wallpaper of the screen to personalize your touchscreen. You've also got a backup camera with reverse traffic monitoring. And as mentioned before, a 360-degree surround camera is optional. From your infotainment system, you'll get information on your power distribution, which is helpful in adverse weather conditions. With low friction launch, this enhances low speed maneuvering and acceleration when at standstill, in the snow and rain. Moving down the center console, you'll find the buttons for the dual zone climate control, along with your push button start and radio controls. Encompassing the gear shift selector is a wooden trim finish. If you want a more sporty look, carbon fiber trim is optional. You'll have 4 different driving modes to choose from: Dynamic, Normal, Eco, and Adaptive Surface Response. With a press of a button, you can select a driving mode instantly. Adaptive Surface Response Mode detects different surfaces and helps to enhance the vehicle's stability for both low and medium grip surfaces. During icy road conditions, Adaptive Surface Response will help the XFS Sportbrake avoid skidding, which will give you a peace of mind when weather conditions aren't favorable. Continuing on with the center console, 2 cup holders can be conveniently hidden when not in use. For the center storage compartment, you'll get a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB inputs, and an HDMI input, along with enough room for smartphones and other small items. For passengers in the back, they'll get heated bench seats that are very comfortable to sit in. 2 cup holders fold down from the center seat. Above is a panoramic moonroof that brings in a lot of natural light, and just gives the XF Sportbrake a very luxurious feel. Taking a look at rear cargo space, you'll get 32 cubic feet of cargo room, and with the rear seats folded down, it more than doubles in size with 70 cubic feet. Overall, Jaguar's first station wagon since the late 2000s is certainly a head-turner. From the classy interior to the sporty exterior, the Jaguar XFS Sportbrake is the perfect compromise between practicality, performance, and British luxury. The base price for the XFS Sportbrake starts at $70,000, and with all options included, you can expect an MSRP of around $85,000. Once again, I'd like to thank Jaguar Land Rover of Peabody for allowing me to review the 2018 XFS Sportbrake. Their website will be in the description below, so you can check out their extensive Jaguar and Land Rover inventory. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.